The historic Paris Climate Agreement aims to keep the increase of the global temperature below 1.5 degrees. All countries, including the Netherlands, have to minimize their greenhouse gas emissions by switching from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources. The Dutch government wants to reduce CO2 emissions to almost zero in 2050 by, amongst others, increasing the generation of renewable energy to grow significantly. Offshore wind energy is the most successful and accessible form of renewable energy in Europe. That's why in the coming years, 5 large wind farms will be built in the North Sea. The safe and efficient construction, operation and maintenance of these parks will be a big challenge. A challenge which can only be realized with innovative technologies and solutions such as the walk-to-work vessel Wagenborg. Wagenborg, the first vessel in the world of its kind, is supporting the offshore maintenance activities for Shell in the southern North Sea in an efficient, safe and effective manner with incredibly high reliability. Reason enough to demonstrate the innovative technology on board to several stakeholders involved in the Dutch energy transition and offshore wind development efforts. In December 2016, Wagenborg set sail to offshore wind farm Egmond aan Zee.
Hi, my name is Doreen Bosman. I work for Shell. I'm the Business Opportunity Manager for offshore wind.
My name is Jan Vos, and I'm a member of the Dutch National Parliament. So basically, I work for our citizens.
My name is Hugo Buijs. I'm responsible for generation and storage within Eneco.
My name is Eric de Boer, Project Director for Blauwind, developing the recently won award for Borssele 3-4.
My name is Hai Stichter. I work for Shell and I've been involved over the last year and a half in the offshore wind team, winning the tender for Borssele 3 and 4.
Today, Wagenborg will demonstrate the walk-to-work concept, enabling service crews to literally walk to an offshore location using the fully motion-compensated gangway. Combining other innovative functionalities on board makes the Wagenborg perfectly suitable to transfer offshore construction and maintenance crews.
The wind farms will get bigger and will go further offshore. And I think it's exactly these types of innovations that will help us to maintain these wind farms not only safer, but also a lot more efficient and more effective.
Accessibility to the wind farm is definitely one where we think we can still win a lot of savings on cost. So I really like this initiative and I can see further progress going.
Large-scale offshore will play an important role, and making that a real industry with a scale which can substitute fossil fuels in the long run. That's important, and then you need to industrialize, and this is a good example of it.
Wagenborg was delivered 2 years ago. In the past 2 years, Wagenborg has exceeded all expectations. Some facts: 26,600 people transfers, 1,930 lifts, workability 94.7%, all actions in waves up to 3.5 HS, which equals 3.5 meters of significant wave height, 0 accidents, and by using GTL fuel, the world's lowest carbon footprint per passenger transferred compared to other means, such as crew boats or helicopters.
It's great to see that you can use these type of vessels for offshore wind, for operation and maintenance. It's quite an innovation, and let's have a look at how we can apply this here.
Well, I'm very much impressed by the innovative technology aboard this ship, the safety procedures, personnel and people that work on the wind parks. I feel privileged to be a part of the huge transition that we're currently making and all the renewable energies, the new technologies that we're building to make it a better planet for our children.
Obviously, I have a benefit or an advantage, so to say, because I was project manager for the Wagenborg. But I felt it was really important to get a large number of people engaged in as much as that they could experience what the Wagenborg really feels and smells and looks like and what it can do. And I think in that respect, all the feedback I've received has been very positive. So I think it's, for me, it's been an excellent day in getting so many people enthusiastic about the whole concept.
Enable us as a country to export the technology and to get more employment and more economic growth for the benefit of our population. So I think definitely we're on the right track here.
Well, if this is a concept that gives you safe, and I think it's very safe, and still reliable and effective, and therefore cost-effective operation and maintenance, it's certainly something to chase.
Meanwhile, the vessel's concept is being developed further in close consultation with the offshore market. This results in a variety of vessel types and different innovative functions on board.